Now our project is complete. What is left is build. So since we are using the Makefile, we made our build very easy. So currently if I will go inside the build folder, this is empty. We will build our project. Build we can do through the command type the cmd. It will open the command window at our project location. This is our project location. So generate the final executable file. What syntax we have given is all. So make all, and what it will do is it will just build our project. So after building, we will go inside the build folder. Then you will see all the generated files are there. Now before flashing this file to the microcontroller, let's see the map file. We'll go inside the build. We have created one map file, and if you will see the map file, so this is nothing but the mapping of different code area section into your flash memory. In the map file it generated these are the files we have built. If you remember, our flash memory started with the 800. At the very first address, if you remember what we discussed, we have our ISR vector. Okay, so this is our ISR vector which is at the starting address, our vector table. And after the vector table, what we kept in the linker file, in the section, we kept the reset handler. And after the reset handler, we kept the default handler. And after the default handler, we have the text. So all our code will come here. If you will see, all the main file code, delay, system clock code, port clock, toggle pin APIs, all these functions has come into the dot text section. All the read-only data will also come in the text section only. So this is the read-only data part of the text section. So all the constant data and all the numerical values will come into the read-only part. After that, we had everything, data and the BSS we had into the RAM area, and some debug related things it has generated, which will help us to debug. So if you will see the memory of your microcontroller, this is how it will look. We have already generated the final executable file, .elf file. Now build is completed successfully. Now what we have to do is we have to flash our program into our microcontroller, and we have to see whether according to our expectation our code is working or not. Okay, I deleted all the generated files in the build folder, and I will build it again. Now again all the files got generated. Now we have to flash the binary. So this is the tool which we discussed previously, STM32 Programmer. So this is a programmer tool which we use to flash our binary into the microcontroller flash memory. In this tool you can do many things. You can read the memory of the microcontroller, you can flash the binary into the microcontroller, you can erase, you can do the full chip erase, complete memory erase, or you can do the sector wise erase also. Apart from this also there are many other features. Now we have to first connect our this software with our microcontroller. So here a connect button is there. You just click on the connect. So what it will do is it will automatically read the microcontroller. And this is the flash memory of microcontroller starting from 800 and all the way to 3F0. Since I have already flashed some programs, so that's why you can see some data is there and some is erased. So what we will do, first we will erase the memory. Now to erase the flash memory, we just have to click on this second option, and you can see full chip erase, erase selected sectors are there. So what we can do is we can just click full chip erase and it will erase the complete memory. So yeah, mass erase successfully achieved. So erase happened. Now if you will go back, the complete memory is FFF, means there is no program, there is no data in the flash memory. And you will notice that previously blink was happening in the board. That blink is also not happening now. Doesn't matter how many times I press the reset, that blink will not happen. Now we will load our ELF file. Just click plus open file. It will open our build directly. This is our ELF file, final executable file. Just open this file. It will show you the content of this file. Still we have to flash this code to put this binary code into flash memory. This download option you are able to see. You just click this download option. File download completed. So flashing we have done. Now code is present in our microcontroller memory. Do the reset once, you will see that code is running. So LED is blinking. This one is still old data. Now again we will do the read up. Now see, it read the memory, complete memory. Now in the memory our code is there. So that's how we do the erase, flash and read of our flash memory using the STM32 Programmer.